Hello, Chris. Can you tell me, who are Leman Micro Devices and what do you do?
Hi, I'm one of the two founders of Leman Micro Devices. We set up about 10 years ago, based in what's known as Health Valley in the west of Switzerland. We were funded by business angels, venture capital, and some of the biggest names in the consumer electronics industry. And our vision is very simple. We want to get accurate medical vital signs being measured by every mobile device.
So tell me, what are the vital signs and why is it important to be able to accurately measure them outside of a medical environment? And why is it a good idea to put those tests in the hands of consumers?
The vital signs are the ways that doctors monitor your health, check very quickly whether you have any infections or any diseases. At the moment, they're usually done by doctors, but increasingly we're seeing the growth of telemedicine where people treat you remotely. If you can also have the measurement you can make at the same time, the doctor can see that. But more generally, we're seeing changes in everything else in society. You know, when we call a taxi or when we check our bank account, we don't have to do it in person anymore. It's all done on our phones or on a mobile device. So all we're doing is extending that into the medical world. You don't go to the doctor to check your weight. Why should you go to the doctor to check your blood pressure? It's known as a silent killer because it doesn't have any real symptoms, but it suddenly catches you. So in the course of this 3-minute interview, 50 people are going to die from high blood pressure who could have been prevented, could have been saved, if they'd known that their blood pressure was high. That's why we go for that one first. Second is temperature. It's a very strong indicator of any kind of infection or inflammation. So we include a thermometer, measure your body temperature. We also check the blood oxygen level, the heart rate, and the respiration rate, all of course vitally important, particularly at the moment with the COVID virus around, but they're all vital signs for detecting infection or other disease conditions.
So thank you for that, Chris. Can you just clarify, how does it work and when are we going to be able to get hold of it?
Our device is a sensor that's built into the phone, or it's built into a wearable or a standalone device. It measures all the signs with that and nothing else. That's the entire product. For the temperature, we scan it across your forehead like they do in the hospital. For the blood pressure, we do just what a cuff does. We get you to use your fingertip. You put your fingertip onto the sensor and then the screen tells you to press harder or softer, and we measure the pressure that collapses the artery, just like a cuff. So we follow the same science as everything normally does. We measure blood oxygen level, heart rate and respiration rate at the same time, all on the fingertip. This is a medical device, it's not a toy. We have to get the CE mark, we have to get FDA clearance. There's a lot of checking and safety checking before we can put this on sale. But we're hoping that will all be done this year, and the first devices should be on sale during 2021. Once they do, it's a real game changer. Suddenly, you can take care of your own personal health and that of your family.